Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need windshield repair, an oil change, or a tune-up. At Rosen Nissan, you'll get competitive pricing and premier service from our highly trained technicians. And at Rosen dealerships, you get a free car wash with every service visit, as well as a free shuttle to local shops and attractions. And if you want to avoid the wait, Rosen has express service available with no appointment. Visit us at rosenrosen.com, where you can order parts, get a quick quote, and view our inventory of parts and accessories, and read more about the Rosen Automotive family, where great cars and great people come together. Call, click, or come in for more information. Rosen Nissan Milwaukee is located at 5505 South 27th Street in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Rosen, Rosen, Rosen.